Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Welcome back, guys. So today, as you guys know by the title, I'm going to buy the new fighter jet, the new update of Roblox Jailbreak. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have grinded a lot and I got 1 million cash. Now I'm going to buy this thing. Ready? Wait, let me take a screenshot. Yeah, it's done. Guys, countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Buy. Woo! Let's get in. Whoa. Whoa, how to control it? What? Whoa. Bruh, it's so hard to control. Man, oh man. Oh, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Woo! It's so fun, boy. So yeah, guys, in this episode I can't buy the stunt plane, unfortunately, because I don't have enough cash. I bought the fighter jet. And if you guys know, there are some rings which we can get XP if we get in. Let's see, can I get in? Bro, it's so hard controlling it. Asimo should add some missiles because it's a fighter jet. It's such a common sense. Okay, where's the rings? Sorry guys, I'm lagging because my tab is the worst tab. There's the ring. Let's see, can I get in? Let's see. No, miss. It's so hard controlling it. Man, I suck at this. Oh, someone is shooting me. Let's see, now I can get in. 3, 2. Oops, where's the ring? Oh, the ring. There's the ring. It's base. No! Man! It's so hard! It's the first time I did so hard. There's the ring. This time I will successfully get in. There you go. There's my 15 experience. Okay, yeah. Let's see how it works when we land it. So I will land it in, I think, the bank or something. Let's see. Now land. Oh, nice landing. Whoa, so much power. It's so interesting. Up, down, 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 down. No, 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 no. Need to go to the museum. Yeah. And jump. There are some cops. Let's shoot them down. Dead. Now I have the jetpack. Oops. Why isn't the jetpack working? The flippin' jetpack. Wow, seriously, bro. I'm gonna rage quit. There you go. Let's go in. Get some bones. What? Let's get a bone. Bro, this jetpack is broken. So let's go here. And I need a painting. Let's take this. Bad CC, broke CC. Now let's get out. And let's get our fighter jet. Let's turn. Okay. This thing is hard to control in mobile. Why isn't it taking off, bro? Okay, let's jump off. Dude. Man, seriously? Now let's go. Dude, it's not working. Man. Seriously, it's broken. Okay, now let's get the what is happening? Bro, stop. Let's get the heli. Wow, it's locked. Seriously? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I will see you all next time. Bye.